Hey everyone, this is Jennifer from DP Addiction Adventures. I'm so super excited to be doing this video for you. I wanted to let you know a couple more people have been nominated for August Diamond Painter of the Month. So please, down below there is a link. Click on that and nominate your favorite diamond painter. They do not have to be a YouTube creator. They do not have to be on Facebook. They just need to be somebody who loves to diamond paint. Last month someone nominated their 15-year-old daughter. So definitely think of people that you love in your life. Think of people that you want to honor, and keep those nominations coming. Now, why did I bring this up? I brought this up because our July Diamond Painter of the Month, I purchased, well actually I wanted some stickers and I had special requested them, and Jeremy Fryer was amazing and made these special stickers for me, and I wanted to show them off and tell you why he's so amazing. So first of all, Jeremy has these awesome new, I think they're laser cut. I'm not sure. Jeremy, correct me if I'm wrong, but they are beautifully, intricately cut diamond stickers. Whoops. I pulled a little too hard. That was my fault. You have to be gentle. Ooh. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. They're extra sticky. But I did that. Here, let me lay it down so it looks nicer. That was my fault for doing that. But these, pretend I didn't do that. These are amazing diamond stickers that you can put anywhere. They come in purple, teal, pink, and blue. And then he did a giveaway for white. And he sent me this pink one. So I am going to put it, pull back of sticker, leaving the sticker on the masking tape. So I totally did it wrong. So we will try to fix it. You're supposed to peel the white part, this paper part off, not, this is me. I just totally, I'll figure that out later. And then he makes these amazing F-bomb stickers. And I had talked to him about how I don't really use that word. And so, but I loved these cute little bomb shapes. And so would he make me some without an F in the middle? Usually he has an F cut out in here. And he was able to do it for me. So I thought, you know, I'm going to put them on my easel while I do this. So it says clean area where sticker is going. I already did that. Pull back off the sticker, leaving the sticker and masking paper. So see, where I went wrong is I pulled the wrong side. So you're supposed to pull the opaque side. Awesome sticker. And then you're supposed to put it down. Apply pressure. You can use a driver's license. I'm a diamond painter, so I have a straightener I can use. Just apply the pressure. And then it says pull the masking paper off the sticker and you are done. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? So thank you so much. Jeremy listens and he loves us all. I have a teal one as well. Isn't that beautiful? I love teal. It's my favorite. So I'll put that over here. Now, one thing is he just came up with a squirrel sticker. I had to buy it. So check out his Etsy store. He's got different sizes. He's got the diamond sticker. He's got 2 different sizes of these bomb stickers. Gotta pressure it a little bit more. And so, yeah, definitely check him out. He is July's Diamond Painter of the Month. He was nominated, and he is doing a great job representing the diamond painting community. And you guys definitely nominate more in the community, and we will see who, oh, that's awesome, Jeremy. That looks great. We will see who wins for August. I'm going to go off camera and figure out how to fix what I flubbed up. So I will see you guys later. If you see this pink diamond somewhere on my easel, you know I fixed my mistake. If you don't, you know there were choice words, and I moved on. So until next time, I hope you have a great night. Be blessed, and I'll chat with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.